malah ketiang cai nyor kedung dit media kecang jandang rawu dah rawu pai bakel karon kini dang rawu dah jandang rawu dah bakel agan mak bangut gok dung dit media me gua lar me gua kapuknat lalar ne ni changko la nung ne lar tin gatin ci tuo gre junub Sudan kana win mo na dien and wala kecang jandang rawu pai bakel dung dit media betagal ti specific ku ya ko bo country maka daga lar lai lorna ko bu konti ga tin ci tuok tin ga kon ndang rawati min yam baga ta complementary message mela message ta da lo ay mu ko commissioner ba ko bu konti la spela mai wo commissioner ni jonu yolu jam kwai ba ko la ta lo ay ga roj mi lat pan mo story is speech ga changa ndang rawu da kel ga pai bakel ka ko bu konti headquarter so rai mo kondi al nen online kente dia le kondi lat pan kan ba ora jodi ento la ne o complementary message mo we gaje ka position ne chalat me ora jodi be ora ba ora ko commissioner no jonu yual che group of women man te yen payam ko inkaw ko west la man chim padwa la man jagwes te chawgil dore ken in a very big number Raya la pan jaga sure go on ba ben ga ko west ba waje ga yen chang and I know how you welcome people ana la yen na welcome gaje so in position na mo ko ben ga ko west ba waje ga na ka payam no ko na ko west including walga ba ga jode mera uda e o joru yolu jam kwai cha metum ke 24 hour ultimatum go 24 hour mu kam SPD about sorted militias to counter law kazaten yene de counter wall gap in surrounding areas kabili to counter thegaje yonu yo ale go within 24 hour the areas at all biaga bucket bia jien go wall gap kan gwadro ken taitin udi no bega ma jel ka company post of SPLM ayo dijal kel gaje kede jidwar alangwana doar to kono lu changa walga so la raja go to avoid the collision come element of SPDF ala Malaysia get to counter walga is better that they ga yen they got requested for 24 hour go be a yen be what so no more I mean Jordan into jonu yual chelat rajmi sejen men wan dien ba ora jode e o jin mun no ko yewo de koron to ore logo se ga lian da na joj ko bro la re logo wo de kan charo lat gore ora ba la tame ko kwicha ko man da na be commissioner ba ko bo county ko west to fondi alan to tin bi ga lenga gwa ko ngum de lel ka lo ke ana ran ko yo lo china de nyin tin ngum de lel this time ko de kor mare ro ko khap chong tharo kan nong nei ke gwa tyang ma ko dung dit media lar nei ke o mi ran jo ma tyam pin ge ne ko dia la ko ro nei nuwen ka la mi cheling share ko bi like ko bene ko no wan kan leng tok nak we ko le shok well message na learn nei jo nu alu sham ko ai ko ja pane ya lat it is a position of ramokor who did yale pande ko ne lat chakalat keton of mal la raja ko wen I'm coming wa ka ko west mai kon controversy manana to ko west arai kon jor ni chiang o te ka ne ti kan ni ke part of the government tin to SPDF assorted militias tin to loyalists of Kumere guy then can come self care exist in Akubu. So Taka West, Taka Walgap. So a controversial no Malar Kono Raja Panelat commissioner she emphasized. And one Walgap. Chen Walgap Kobuni Iran, Milar Wodong around Kumi. Take a specific people they mentioned. Tingajago, these are the core hardliners to contain Jaga situation go be year Kakuba West. Charwaj ke kwet nyan lew la former commissioner ajoy ka ko is measure ban form ka ko west en wo chen gor ka walga Charwaj ke de facto local government official mutualim machui tuong ko shena gor ko walga charwaj ke one of de facto paramount chief mi ta kamna to mutual tuong lama wo shena gor ko walga. So these are the key elements of SPDF to counter walga to largo when and take a kume more kume regai with SPDF support with Takawalga. So Chelat Pan Krai de Melade, I don't want them. Ko big Takawalga, go to J big jet. So now one of very strong position as a member of Kume movement and Terkor. Then I don't want their support. And go position them go Nadiana at all that are not needed. Territory of our Kobo country. Cherakatan and Chalaraje, a commissioner. So, kuna implement, kuna complement in that position, ke taandan jalan aja, mulane wo taloi midi long, kan taandan and jalan, and John Yual lul chamkoi. Meraude the commissioner, ne John Yual lulbo. To group ma ne pan ne chi jen me chi wo kaje. Group jen na ko koin kau payam. Koin kau payam andor kel ka ko wes me changke. Jagwes. Tintaga padway deny. So Chiman Chigian Pan in a very big number are organized. One can jagalat, Titan and social media gata kwa circulate kaje. And contest me pan nature ladaman, the menu the other one and Pijagwes with me, Dorian Ocoin cow. More at a young year gachitin, more at a courtin, the Tramde Malargo and Canadian Jite. The sign I knew the one can pan knew the Jagajas Pelamayo, Tipul. Lebonu a day and an between activities in the corner work. So Mulunu may you open a monitor, John Yoljam Quajaga, sure when I'm coming, Waka, Walgak, Ono Point Cow, and Chaga Plot, who may Jaganela, Quana welcome, Mochum Walgak, by welcome again. So I'm Genamo, you the not good and Katai Chalat, again I'm coming for feast. Chalat one Bagamal. When the Kawalgak, Senbo Kor. Lakin Ramalar Jen and nature when the Walgak, when the Walgak, Bagani. That is the position. Good. Then Korwine Walla like a Walgak. Nathan Con trying to say to con element of SPDF. We see them, a very pure number. La Roy Gadishang or continue Walgak, the Kume, Kunyala, with a Walgak, the guy with the influence, Kobo West, and all this. Could you get a Ramadan Larna and a controversy, a situation in the road of Kobo West? Malaria go take a native a feeling of one and Ichijon Yalusham Kwai, Chedeben Ka Kobo West, as a part of our Kobo country. So, you know, Koraya Panayalat. They make very clear that there is no reason. There is no reason to have Kobo West, as long as population of Kobo West more than him, Connect. This long time, associated with all the problems the country deal with the Alka Kobo country to Taliban. He is coming. Namalari, which open Kobo West. Jaramandan, Tergatana, and Chalat Kugo Bagani. We support him, go beginning. Rani Genamo, I sure and a Panechi commissioner, may check command, the Chawagul, and Native Kente Jalkelake, the Geno Point Cow. About Ojan Vega, Kobo West, come over Beno, Nambia Laro Shabuben, Jaramata, Yaramanong Degani. Majority John Yoljam Kwai, 24 hours. Chetup 24-hour ultimatum, Chetubalajan. There come assortment of SPDF to Conda Walga. In areas to Conda Quen. And will be a GN, Baron Wish. Get 24 hours. Now we are coming to the end of 24 hours. We took a 24 hours. Megurka de Ladakan Conda Walga, or the GN Walga. There was a what they can all the de facto civil government account of Walgak, can they can then can they SPDF they relocate to what? No, according to John, we all look some to avoid the coalition. Which has PLMI book and SPDF the corner to area. Chicago collide. China Chigabini. So an ultimatum I took 24 hours and we are coming to the end of it. We knew one and situation got Kubu West. Talk, Irun, Bokongolingo, who is available. Katon about Kubu West, Walga, I mean. Subcontract about Kubu West. Raimishi General 24-hour period in the Anajatup when they implement SPDF. La Malaysia get a content in Walga. And if they fail to implement that, because there are conflicting reports, the large Garnala Canero Kent into top, okay, might have relocated to to what? Michike Pot Tiang, Chikawaka Wat. No, we take element of SPDF to note loitering in Walgak. There are name content suicide expeditious. Take on the Jalko Michi Corbanaga. Ya de Moja can ya de Ganak. So for this period of time, we are still monitoring. Oh, hell, Chika Yen, 24-hour rea come. Kidar still loitering. Walgak town. And what okay. Wajan on a banata and an abroad Latin Corban and Rolling Road, Chermalar, news to go about Walgak, what are coming in until tomorrow. Well, Minjagdian, Chakola were more interesting. Milarjaco de Mushakala de Loka, Coronan and Corner to Ore Loka. They diffused. They take 9 years. And Chakola you need to understand things. Only two things. When I'm a corona to Sudan, a corcume, Michoro Kumamo as a PDF, last Pella my year ruling. Kind of revolutionary moment. No more as Pella Mayo, Malarjo Kumanan and the Jubu. So year 1, 2, 3. For all these years, Runa Waldok, the Concord, a Kume, Minye. Kind of revolutionary government, movement. So we will come to the point of one and the realities to Kondokwa, Korandana Terra, to quite ship. Chatuako and the sitting government, Takajubu. Can all the mean as a government, Chakawan, as a pretensions, Chakawan. Chumno point of one and Chatalong as itself. Who are for attack is using people among themselves. Badoro, this situation we are seeing today, where there is no power in Juba, Magangai, and Kumadaga Salpakir Gerun and Neda talk, Shemana Larorai Loco, who there are one of the tribe, he is in a community, they collide among themselves. So we would know that is the interest of the enemy. So Bernard Bogoport. We are seeing Mabodol. Mabodol after all airport which apply SPDF can SPLMIG Michigan exhausted. You can all cap kaje. You are airports to the conquest. Go there law that are going to intimidate. There is Changrai law. They law fire in the name of SPDF, should come okay. That is the last option they have. Made a law. So, Kon, I tell Kon, when the Alarodi and the Walgam, wherever, in Taka Rockton, Malarga, they are still maintaining position, law, which is not true. The Ban Sudan, you 230 is a question of one and Mijinalo in Mala, yes. A unified government, a unified force, and a unified nation. There could have been after me now, Mala. Can who win? Who try to do that? No, this time, law. It is a question of majority of law. And a civil population law was upon as well my more revolutionary moment. michi God kianak, michi kwakien, michi destroyed because they were supporting it. Take it in kian one angar enemy. So up to now they are supporting the movement until Jamagore Shajak. Because they are supporting the movement. It's a question of rail law this period of time, especially this 2026. As well as my Amaloro Koda Changtin, not as PDF, Misha Gore Sharp to corner rail law. So Minu de Malarego is a question of bomb, can a woman sharp. As PDF, Minage sharp logger, they support again. It might occupy rail logger peacefully, very young. Lakin go look at sharp. Makara spell my of all the responsibility to secure rail logger. Ko Ramalarje, rail logger at a man is when you allow the spell my who be control beacon, bad necky, be stop. Ko be till Kumgo rail logger be watch. Shirkata Jana witness, ke following years state in our core. Rail law control, peace was there. So, when I spell my work position, it can control the security situation. Rail law, get time a man who would tell a man, who tell a government, me unify government that can take charge. No, there must be a two system to be exist rail law as a mean of peace. Time for Lord is your talk. Tai one lela to go Nagadori and one more Rayana, the take a cumin to me, Quenate Rai, Yetala, and both or one. The current law go a unified administration, maybe administer. Mr. Abel would go and a bit to the Dora, but intimidate, Caneko, and all this. No. Ramachari go and a low de dark, and can exist in a law to supporter of SPD at this time. This is very wrong time. Kalare de Pizza law. You think again, Vicharanyok. So Mungurji wouldn't you advocate for one name column and the share in a law or a way. Let them come to you. And the Bodoli, not Garkektul Shagni, not Weberry, Garnal. Let them come to Juba. But system in Babarana can give you very long with pre. Kolokucha go very long. So the no, I mean, you do any Alacondichar and very long termal. Think about Uru Bodoli, we very long. Don't think about another existence of two systems. Very long. This will never happen. We share time for it. It is a wrong time now to Wolodisium Cha allow Kodera long. Ko no mo ko lo ke samar ni kien as we say today na yo dia long kanya ko kon de me jagalat. Number 1 ne o chako to complementary message wo commissioner na yo lu cham kwai right me pane chalat ke de 21 ka pai bakel ka ko kon headquarter. So right me ko chako appreciate ke je ne wan we lo den test ke je. Mona dear Raya Panay Commissioner, major group of women, they cheer will watch young other. They are no coin cow, Payam, who is our cob. Take away sure over what our cover west. Monet complication to call our Rajodian, what our cover west. Panado Joru Jam Quai, chair 24-hour windows, check come as feed about sorted militias. The content of Kawalga Kodak Bucket, our Rajode. Mano if me just pay the bucket, what will happen? A quarter. So yeah, right to situation good one understand con lodial, Kian lodial in Charwood, Kurtere lock and wall. It will be a night the two system today exist. They lock. Time is wrong, mal, now core, to go mal, a woman like Alma Bodo Lagian, and can all the assorted malicious, Ninjal Kelgaye, rail over the guy. So right when you get young, I'm going to media. Test go war, we